Welcome back to our HTML Mastery Course 2026. It's day 21 and today we are going to learn one of the most important topic for every web developer, HTML SEO optimization. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It helps search engine like Google understand your website and show it in a search result. So today we will cover three important topics: search engine basics, semantic HTML structure, SEO-friendly content. So by the end of this lesson, you will know how to write HTML that is easier for Google to understand and can help improve your website ranking. So let's begin with our first topic. Now let's learn about search engine basics. Before optimizing a website, we first need to understand how search engine works. Search engine like Google, Bing and Yahoo discover websites, read their content and organize the information and finally display the most relevant pages to users. So the basic SEO process has four stages: crawling, indexing, ranking and display results. So let's understand one by one. Crawling. Search engine use automated bots called web crawlers or spiders. These bots visit websites by following links and reading HTML pages. Indexing. After crawling, search engines save the page information inside a Yahoo database called an index. If your page is not indexed, it was not appear in search result. Ranking. When someone search for something, Google compare millions of pages and rank them based on content quality, keywords, page speed, mobile friendly user experience and HTML structures. User. Finally, users see the best matching pages in a search result. So the better your SEO, the higher your chances of appearing near the top. So let's get the example. Let's understand the important SEO tags. The title appear, browser tab and a Google search result. It should clearly describe the page. Then meta description. This description often appear below the title in a Google search. So a good description encourage users to click your website. Then H1 heading. Every page should have one main heading. Describe its content. Order list. List organized information clearly, making it easier for user and search engine to understand. So Google does not see your web page like a human do. It's read your HTML code. That's why writing clean, meaningful HTML is extremely important. Now let's learn one of the biggest SEO improvement in HTML. Semantic elements. Semantic HTML means using tags that clearly describe the purpose of different sections of a web page. So instead of using only div everywhere, HTML provides meaningful tags such as header, nav, main, section, article, aside and footer. So these elements help search engines, for screen readers, for developers to understand your web page much better. So let's get the example. Header contain the website title and logo. Nav contain navigation links and Google easily understand website navigation. Then main tag contain the primary content of the page. So each page should have only one main element. Then section, so group related content into section. And article represent the independent content like blog post, news, tutorials. A site elements contains related information or sidebar content. And a footer contains copyright information, content detail and additional links. So why semantic HTML matter? Semantic HTML improve SEO, improve accessibility, make code cleaner and easier for developers to maintain. Now let's learn about SEO friendly content. So having a beautiful website is not enough. Search engine also care about the quality of your content. So SEO friendly content means writing content that is useful for both users and search engines. So good content should be easy to read, well organized, original, reliable and keyword focused without overusing keywords. So let's take the example. One H1 heading. Your page should have one clear main heading. Then proper heading structure. So use heading in order: H1, H2, H3. Do not skip heading labels. Short paragraph. Short paragraph improve readability for both visitors and search engines. Bullet list. List make content easier to scan and help highlight important points. Useful content. Always write content that answer users' question instead of stuffing keywords repeatedly. So SEO best practices: use descriptive page title, write a unique meta description, use semantic HTML tags, add one H1 heading, organize content with H2 and H3 headings, write helpful and original content, use keyword naturally, keep paragraph shorts and add like descriptive image, alt text means alternative text, link to the relevant internal pages. Excellent. Today you have learned how HTML play a major role in SEO. So we covered how search engine crawl, index and rank web pages, how semantic HTML improve SEO and accessibility, how to create SEO friendly content that help both user and search engine.